Mr. Jim.
And who else?
And Mr.
And Miss Amaret?
And
Right.
then
Yeah.
Mr. Jim.
Mr. Jim.
I will open it.
You
Okay,
ready
go ahead.
to open it? Okay, what do you think it is?
What is it?
Here it comes.
Here it comes. Oh my goodness. What is that? What is it? Is that a train?
It's a train.
It's a Lego train?
Lego train? Oh, isn't that awesome?
I will open it.
You want to open it, please?
Yeah.
Okay, we can open it. You want to open the other one first?
Yeah. Let's open it. Let's open it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. What could be?
What could it be?
What do you think? Oh, more Legos.
What is it? You being very methodical. Okay. Cool. Is that a pirate ship? Oh, it's a pirate ship.
Like Captain.
Captain what?
Captain Hook.
Captain Hook. Yes.
Yeah. I will open it.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
What do you
Hey.
say? What do you say to Mr. Jim?
And Miss Amaret, what do you
What do you
say?
say?
Thank you, Mr.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.